pa ng legs. Yan. Good.
Alam mo, vegan.
Ah. Good. Nam ni Boye. 6. Last 4. 5.
Okay guys, last client na tayo for today. Time check, 8 PM na. So, yun, sobrang thankful ulit tayo for today kasi di ulit tayo na zero. Ang dami nating client ngayon. And tomorrow, 2 clients na tayo. And then rest tayo ng Sunday. So, again, pang 176 days na ng pagpo-post natin consistently. So, yun, hanggang dito na lang muna ulit. So, next week, makapag-workout na tayo. Feel ko kaya na. So, that's it for today. See you again tomorrow, guys. Peace.